I did what you said. It coming like Christmas. Coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas.
Hi guys. So we're done. We're done work. I'm heading to my favouritest place right now. To pick up some stuff. To go to some arts and crafts. You know what I'm saying? As you guys can tell, my teeth feel so much better. Well, the side that was hurting me yesterday feels so much freaking better. Let me hold up, man. It feels so much freaking better. But this side, no, hurting me again. But not to the point where, like, it's uncomfortable. Just back to what it was originally at in the beginning. So anyways, I'm going to Michael's. And I'm so fucking excited that I finally get to buy this product. Because I've had my machine for so long and I haven't used it, and now I get to use it. And it's snowing. Can you see it? I'm trying to see if you guys can see like a snowflake or something. But anyways, it's snowing. But yeah, let's go to Michael's.
Goddamn, I fell in love with you. I fell in love, girl. I miss us. I won't front. Got me so strong, 'cause you're one on one.
Christmas, I wish I was decorating this year. Oh my god, I really do wish. The gray is so pretty. Well, I don't know why it looks purple. What is gray? Like, damn. Oh. You guys, I feel like using this for like my bathroom. Oh my gosh. Beach house. Like, I can't have a beach house. Oh my god, this is so cute. Portland, should I pick up yourself? Life is better with Sandy toes. Sandy would like this type of stuff, actually. She would love this type of stuff. Oh, I want to be in love. Yeah, so this is what I came for. I came to get some vinyl. This is the one that I'm gonna go with. Those are the 3 colors. It's like holographic, and then I got a black. So let's see how this works out for us. I feel like I should get a white too. A white. This is mad white. It's mad white. That's a cute little color too. Oh god, help me. Oh jeez, mold. Alright, I think I'm done here. Big up crickets, yes. Alright, I think I'm done here. Oh no, I need to get some boxes. I need to grab some boxes. $14.99. Ay, ay, ay. $34. Alright. Anyways, guys, I just left Michael's. Oh my gosh. So, the one that I originally wanted, my coupon doesn't work for. And as I said right now, everything is tight. Yeah, so we have to use Winagin. So they have the ones that are not in packages of like different colors for singles for like $2.40 or something, and they're on sale right now. Buy 2 get 1 free. Okay. I think I spent $6 just now. I got 4 sheets. You let a girl know if do maths or whatever, but I got 4 sheets: black, white, gold, and silver. So I'm trying to call my sister, people in my sister's household, to see if anybody's home so I can go over there. But I have to go to the store to pick up some stuff for mom because she wants me to make a baby basket for her for one of her friends. And then I have to also go to her house and then go to the post office because there's a package for me, and I know this is for Jamaica, so thank God it came. Oh my God, the man nearly right off my right foot. But it's snowing. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's snowing. It's snowing. Me and Dollarama are here and it's snowing. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go catch my bus. And then I will holler at you guys a little bit later, okay? Okay, bye. Guys, so I just got home. And it's late, so y'all gonna get 2 vlogs tomorrow. Okay? Y'all gonna get 2 vlogmasses tomorrow. Today, I'm just tired, and it don't make sense I'm gonna go on live right now because I have things to do. So I'm gonna make one work with me and stuff like that. I have work to do, so I need to do that because I need to bring it to work tomorrow. And then what else? I need to start making this baby basket for my mom's friend. So yeah, I'm gonna shower because I literally just got in the house. I'm gonna shower. Bomba! I'm gonna shower and then come back to you guys, and then we're gonna work. We're gonna work a day in the life of Zoe working. Somebody messaged me on Snapchat and was like, well, why is that one white shirt hanging up in your thing? This shirt, you guys, is from the year that I graduated high school. So what I wanted to do was have a shirt that everyone signed. And so that's what I did. I just bought a white plain t-shirt. This was from a company that I used to work for back when I was in high school, a company called Balloon Notes. Can you guys believe I used to fit into this? Like, I could fit into this once upon a time. A small, look at that, the stickers on it and everything. Talk true. So yeah, running me class of 2008. And yeah, I didn't make everyone sign it, but I have my yearbook where everyone signed. And yeah, my whore. I was a whore a long time ago. But anyways, I'm gonna go shower and then come back and I'll check in with you guys later. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. I know say you don't want to murder me because I never post no Vlogmas yesterday, which should have been day 6. But if you guys were tuned in on YouTube last night, you would have known that Sade had me on a voice call. And hold on. Anyway, so as I was saying before I was really interrupted, but if you guys were following, you guys would have seen that I was on video chat with Day while she was on live last night, and we came off maybe after 11, and I came home late because I had some work to do, as I mentioned previously before I went to shower. And I was supposed to do a haul for you guys in terms of all the stuff that I purchased and stuff. Lord Jesus, everybody's just freaking bothering me today. Like, what the frig? You got your paycheck how long ago? Why are you still here? Anyways, as I was saying, so yeah, I got my bed late or whatever. So I just made the thing that I needed to make, and I went to bed. That was like after 12, almost 1 o'clock. So yeah, I don't know how much footage I have, but I'm just gonna combine 5 and 6. You guys will get the most recent songs on repeat sometime before the weekend is over, and then yeah, so you guys will get both. the most recent songs on repeat sometime this weekend. And then, yeah, update. The Orajel worked, you guys. Like, my mouth. Ooh, like, that is in my... Listen, but I cannot leave that. What else? I think that's all I have to say for now. So if anything, I'll check you guys a little bit later. My niece is supposed to be coming over this weekend, and so I don't really know what else it is that I have to do. But yeah, whatever it is, I will check in with you guys, and you guys will come along. So see you guys later. I love you. Bye.